Well, guys, got some exciting news.
We're going to pick up RZR number 2.
Taking Trev's heavy Chevy. Thanks for letting me drive, Trev. He did something very unfortunate yesterday. This short man liner he put in, just so that's my line of sight. Just lovely. Let's crank this baby up and hear this new sound system. Oh yeah, baby. Well guys, we're on the way to Copart. As you can see, about half my road is black, half is not. If anyone wants to Venmo me 30 bucks, I will rip this off Trev's truck right now. The Venmo is Trayton-Tolsted. Trayton-Tolsted. This baby will be ripped off the instant I get $30 to pay Trev back. I appreciate you guys. We got some great social distancing standards here at Copart. Thanks to Trev's random 7 o'clock shower this morning, I'm the last one in line. So if I'm sitting here all day, we can thank our boy Trev. Love to see that. We got our title. Salvage as hell, baby. Woohoo! Let's go get this baby cleaned up. Got some cars coming in. Hopefully those 20 car stackers aren't getting loaded before us. Let's say a prayer. Here she is, boys. Woohoo! Yeah, baby. Here she is, boys. We are excited about this one. Looks way. It's got tires too. We're excited. Well, guys, we just got back from Copart. We're gonna do a little walk around now and check out what the damage actually is. We know, and we knew for sure, new A-arms, obviously. Looks like the mounts have potential to be okay. The bottom A-arm just snapped right, or bent in the middle, and this top one looks to be straight, honestly. Coming over to this side, this A-arm snapped all the way off on both ends, but it looks like it was a good snap. The tabs look all right, oddly enough. So, I don't know, it's looking promising. Ooh, looks like a rock light. We'll have to check that out. Take a side view of this wrap though. Looks so sick. And got it on the roof. Boom. Dragonfire racing harnesses. The nice dash kit. Looks kind of sick. The windshield, halfy. Carpeted roof, T&W doors. Wolf Designs wrap. Rear end looks all right. This shock popped off. Gonna need to pull that off once I take the strap off, or pull that over and get that pop back on, but it doesn't look like anything's wrong. It just popped out for some reason. Weird. Motor looks all right. Dirty. In the trunk, just dirty. Cage looks sick. Looks like we got a nice light for the rear also. Over on this side, everything looks to be all right. Just a little dirty. Looks like we got another rock light. That'll be kind of cool. Let's see if, hopefully those work. Oh, and also it came with the front tires. Those were not pictured in the ad at all, so they were sitting in the trunk bed when the guy pulled it out on the tractor. Check this out. This is the big boy. Oh yeah, we got the Switch Pro. Boom. Should probably see if it works. Key turns. Cool. Laid up. Let's see. Interior. Bam, she works. Let's check the roof light and the rock lights. Oh, green rock light. That's gonna be sick. Damn. In the grill too. Top light bar is working too. Nice slim single row. Pretty sick. I've never had a aftermarket cage or doors before, so hopefully I don't get a little too used to that. All right, let's get her unstrapped. And that, my friends, is how you seamlessly unstrap a trailer all by yourself, holding a camera. Thanks to my $11 straps off of Amazon this last weekend. Geez, hardest part is right here. Who would have thought? Bam. All right, I'll get these fronts off. These ones are a little more pain in the ass. Then I'll be back. First things first, gonna give this little baby a wash down because it's all filled with sand. I think it was a dune crash, I would say, based on that. Looks like Glamis to me, baby. Love and hate to see it. But yeah, I'm gonna clean all the sand out so when we bring it in the garage, it doesn't get all over. Got a new setup going now. Don't mind my tire stack. I have another 4 of them in the shed. We're gonna have the new RZR right here. Then we got the old turbo pushed over to the side. I'm really excited to give you guys this angle in a few hours. It's gonna be a good one, that's for sure. But yeah, turbo is looking nice. Trying to decide if I'm gonna sell it or if that's gonna just be my personal car. And then Trev's gonna drive this next one. We're not really sure. This is a pretty satisfying event that I started without you guys. Said I'd let you in on it. Oh yeah! Wow. It's got some good color to it. That's for damn sure. See, all the sand's gone. Dash looks a little cleaner. We're gonna do another real wash once we get it in, but oh wow, look at that steering wheel. I did not notice that until now. Ouch. That must have hurt. That was definitely from his chest. Oof. Wow. Not good. But yeah, I gotta go inside and write an essay. Trev's gonna be home in about 5 hours. Hopefully my essay will be done. I decided the easiest way to get the RZR off the trailer is probably just gonna be to throw some new arms on it. So, found the Craigslist special, and I gotta drive 28 miles there, 28 miles back, and we'll have some lime squeeze front A-arms and axles, baby. Well guys, I just got back. We got 2 new stock axles. Or not new, but 2 new used stock axles. And 4 new lime squeeze arms. Uppers and lowers, baby. I wiped down this baby, so now you guys can actually see what it looks like. Oh, it looks good. Wow. Look at him. Every day, baby. He's hauling ass. Boom. She's sparkly. Pretty excited about getting these arms on her. Getting her off the rig. Bang. Unfortunately, the same guy that I bought these arms from, he said he had lime squeeze yellow seats that he threw away. I was very disappointed because I don't want to have to put these dirty, ugly silver ones back in. They have no bases anyway, so I got to get those somehow. We own too many damn vehicles at this house. We got 1, 2, we got the Malibu, 3, heavy Chevy 4, Kia 5, the new RZR 6.
Hey, you forgot
the Jeep over there, 7 that we're hiding at the neighbor's house. And then the old Turbo's 8. Trev just backed the Chevy in. We're about to try to unload this bad boy. Hopefully all goes well. Ooh, hope we make it past that. I might have to move that a little, but bang. Hopefully go straight on into the garage.
I wonder if that's also, yeah, that is for the Switch Pro.
Fuse panel. All right, the plan is jack this thing up by the front bumper and just slowly roll it backwards right off the ramps. We've got brakes still, so hopefully it just goes straight in.
We're gonna have to set it on top of the jack. Or
That's
buy
what I
a
was
bigger
thinking.
jack.
No, yeah, we gotta.
Anybody wants to donate us a jack? Looking for 3-ton or greater.
Lift that up by yourself, Trevor. Let's see it. Do it for the boys. Hey, I'll push it. Say less.
Was
You
that
got
high
it.
enough?
Yeah. For the boys.
Lift with the back, not the legs. Where'd we end up?
Needs to push that way a little bit. That could work. See what we get from there. Oh yeah, dude.
Damn, money.
Just a little sketchy.
What's your so-called unlimited straps at?
Sketchy's our middle name. It's on your truck. Before I get you on the camera, I want you guys to see how we're planning on doing this. We got the jack under there, a few straps, or a strap and a piece of rope around there a few times. We're planning on just jacking it straight off like this, straight back. Trev's gonna get in there and be our brake guy. And yeah, hopefully I can muscle this thing forward. Well guys, I was just complaining and saying how we needed something or someone to hold this camera. And my mount for my phone that was supposed to come tomorrow just came right now on Amazon. GarageGuys, things are looking good. I'm gonna get you guys mounted up on Kyle's car, maybe up on that post actually. This thing's got some like squiggly leg. All right, I'll get back when you guys are mounted up in your new camera case.
Hey, what about, yeah, tires, or right tires on the lip of that.
Okay.
So as soon as you give it one good push, it's gonna be ready. So we've made some good progress so far.
Things are a little sketchy currently.
The sway bar of the last RZR, filling in the gap.
Well, it's officially off of the trailer and partway in the garage, looking good. We're somehow gonna have to turn it around, which is gonna be another event on its own, but
Why is that?
how are we gonna turn it around?
Why do we need to?
So our front end's where the light is and where our space is. Well guys, we just repaired the trailer. Got a new side piece on, a little different color, but we're not too worried about it. Hopefully gonna be trading it tomorrow for a nice 23 footer to fit both the RZRs. Trev is supposed to be talking to our parts guy right now. Hopefully that's ending well.
So you said 7 to 10 days for the front frame? All right, sounds good, we'll take it. Thanks, Eric.